Our deliberations was around two issues. One is the immediate support that the refugees need in the camps, in the work of strategic decisions made by different governments that have been supporting the refugees over the years, and the fear that perhaps there was going to be reduction of food rationing in the camps. And we have had very good deliberations. We appreciate the various governments here for their commitment, and for various donors for their commitment and support to the refugees. And we have been given full assurance that between now, within this year, there is no fear that the rationing will go below what it is now, which is 40%. If anything, there has been a step in by various new donors to support those who have been supporting refugees in the past. So for now, we are very confident that the refugees both in Dadaab and in Kakuma and Kalaboye are going to be taken care of in the near future. We also appreciate that there was also fear generally by many people that there was fear that as a result of the U.S. government policy, some people fear that perhaps this is going to impact negatively on the refugees in the immediate period. But we appreciate the U.S. government for their decision to continue channeling humanitarian support to the refugees in our country, and that decision was conveyed to us by the representatives from the embassy, and you all know that that was a decision that has been announced publicly by the U.S. government. So for now, we have confidence that the refugees are taken care of. The second issue that was of great concern to us as a ministry is the safety, security, and the well-being of the refugees. You know, some of them out of fear because of the food rationing challenges demonstrated in Kakuma, and we were a bit concerned as a country whether this situation is sustainable if we are going to see more reduction of food. But I appreciate also the fact that we have now calmed the situation, and we have confidence that we can continue supporting the refugees. The second issue is in relation to the long-term plans. We, as a country, have come up with Shirika Plan. Shirika Plan is a Kenya government proposal which is on the table and which is under public participation, stakeholder engagement, to see how best we can deal with the question of the refugees. As we all know that refugees were expected to be here for a short period of time, but now they have been in the country for 35 years. We cannot continue having this situation persisting forever, yet the global circumstances that relate to support of the refugees in the work of changing national dynamics in various countries in the world, we have to think also together to see how best can these refugees be integrated, and what can be done to make sure that their contribution to the country is quantified, and that they have their necessary certification. As you know, we already have the the refugee ID that enables us to identify who are refugees, and we can be able to provide services and account for their presence in the country.